So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very good evening, good morning, good afternoon, in whatever time zone you have. So, this is I'm Vishal Seni, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our Hall of Fame interview. Today, we have a very special guest, and her name is Harpreet Kaur. She's from Ludhiana. She's a researcher in food engineering, and we met Harpreet on August 2020, right? And at the time when we met her, she was suffering from multiple diseases. And today, what I'm going to reveal to you, what I'm going to showcase to you, would not be, a lot of people would not digest it. That naturopathy can be so useful, can be so, helpful in tapering your medicines and reversing your disease. So if I start from the problems she was suffering from PCOD. At the age of 13, she started eating PCOD medicines, and she ate these medicines for 11 years, and her condition was getting worse and worse. And after that, she had depression. She also had a lot of time, PCOD and depression. Now both the medicines were going on. She was also suffering from stomach ulcer, right? She was also suffering from stomach ulcer, and if you talk about and knee pains, if I talk about all the medicines she was taking around 12 pills a day, which is huge, and started from the age of 13. Today, uh, Harpreet is Harpreet is off medication 100%, right? So it's almost not even a year now, right? So it's like almost almost 9 months, right, Harpreet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's almost like 9 months, and she has completely tapered her medicine. So let's come to Harpreet. Harpreet, I welcome you to this Hall of Fame interview, and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity, for inviting me here in this Hall of Fame interview.
Thank you. So Harpreet, a lot of people are watching you, and you're going to be a kind of lot of role model to a lot of people who are suffering, especially girls who are suffering from health issues, hormonal imbalances, PCOD, things like that. So I would like to know how it started. You first met me. I offered you a course. You took admission in that course, and you gave a lot of time, 20-25 hours, understanding the naturopathy concepts. So how your journey started, and I want to go deep into all the journey, all the insights that naturopathy gives. Please.
Sure, sir. Sir, actually, before joining your course, I was taking homeopathy medicine for PCOD, for hormonal imbalance, and for depression. My depression was very severe, that's up to suicidal level before meeting you. Yeah. And before that, I was taking allopathic medicines. I took allopathy medicine for almost 11 years, and means it did not work for me. My condition became severe day by day. It's critical. It became critical, and like there are I also got other problems, like my BP remains low. Even most of the time my BP remained low, and it does not increases with the simple home remedies, like by taking salt or strong coffee. And for that also I had to take medicine. And with passage of time, like after almost 9 to 10 years of taking allopathy medicine for this PCOD, I was diagnosed with peptic ulcers. This is this was only due to side effect of PCOD medicines. And for when I was started taking medicines for this peptic ulcer, then at that time I took 12 tablets in a day. That include for acidity, for digestion, for knee pain in legs, tiredness, painkiller, means everything, for every means minor issue.
Okay.
But my condition did not improve. It condition became poor day by day, and I was not even able to eat a normal food. I still remember that I remained hungry for 2 to 3 days. I didn't took food for 2-3 days because
ulcer
due to ulcer, means in food pipe अंदर नहीं जाता था. Then my body became resistant to allopathic medicines. Even paracetamol didn't work for me. In means mild fever, I had to take antibiotics. Then I decided to switch to homeopathy. In initial period, when I switched to homeopathy, doctor told me that it becomes difficult. It will be difficult that homeopathy will will benefit you or not, because you already taken allopathy for 10 to 11 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, and when I started taking homeopathy medicines, maybe it's the body get changes started in the body, and I got various skin problems also. Means
Oh.
whenever I did some kind of physical work, or when sweating was started, then there was rashes on all over the body, and itching starts, and that didn't go easily.
Mhm.
And this continued for almost 6-7 months. I was at home. I was not able to do any kind of job and did not go out from the house due to this problem. And even doctor stopped me to consume food that cause heat in the body. Like for almost 3 years, I did not take dry fruit, any nuts, many fruits like mangoes, grapes, apricots. I even did not tasted it for almost 3 years. But yeah, this somewhat after 6 months, my conditions, the slight changes were coming in my health, in my skin issues also. But in winters there were different. The situation was different. Like this swelling on my face when I woke up in the morning. Sometimes swelling on area around lips or eyes area, and that did not go easily. Means I have to wait for 2-3 days to when this swelling goes. And again, yes, my cycle is normal. Cycle was normal with these homeopathic medicines, but after it continues for 2 years, means everything okay. My cycle was normal for 2 years by taking homeopathic medicines. After 2 years, again, I think my body becomes resistant to medicines, homeopathic medicine also. As I didn't get period for after 2-3 months even by taking these medicines. Then eventually I went to depression because I had to means my study suffered a lot for these issues. I did not means go anywhere for job. Means didn't go from my out from my house. And before meeting you, before means I decided to change, means coming to naturopathy. At that time, I didn't got period for almost 4 months by taking high doses of homeopathic medicines. Even my doctor said that I already gave you high doses of these medicines, which I usually don't give to any patient, and even your condition is not improved. What kind of treatment I will give you? Even she is not sure that what medicines now I give to you has already taken a lot high doses of these medicines. Then I decided to. There was a thing at that time. I was thinking that either it could be possible for me to be healthy again. Like when I watch on television or internet that they are healthy for 40-50 years of age. People are healthy in this age. And what was my condition at 25-26 years of age? Whether it could be possible for me. Then I was in depression, severe depression at that time, and not even able to sleep for 2 hours. Doctor told me that you have to complete your sleep. You have to sleep for 7 to 8 hours in a day. Then only medicine work at you. But I don't know why. Means these things why I went to depression. Then one day I was just scrolling my Instagram account and saw your ad here. There's this webinar on PCOD, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, all issues related to women. Then I decided there is nothing wrong to attend a webinar. And when I attended your webinar, at that time I was sure that this is the right path, this is the right track which I want from long time. And after attending your entire course of almost 20-25 hours, then I was 100% sure that my condition will be improved by following naturopathy. And what you from very first day when you told that you have to follow the diet on 25th August, I started diet on 25th August, and on very first day I followed you 100%. Means I quit I was a tea lover, means milk tea and coffee, curd, but I quit everything on very first day. And for entire 4 months, means initially 4 months, I followed same routine for means when to wake up, what to do, what to eat, at what time, what is breakfast, what to in lunch, dinner, means same for first 4 months. And I was able to taper my medicine in within 10 days.
100% medicines?
Yeah, 100% medicine within 10 days.
Wow, awesome, great. So Harpreet, what I see is that all the doors were getting closed. You tried all the pathies, all the medicines, allopathy, homeopathy, so all the doors were getting closed, and you came to naturopathy, and your life changed like upside down. So how much weight also you have reduced? Would you like to tell about your weight, your energy levels, your fitness level? How much they have improved?
Actually, after coming upon naturopathy, there I means experienced a lot of benefits which I never experienced before. Within 1 month, I reduced 4 kgs of weight. When I joined naturopathy, my weight was 68 kg. Now my weight is 59 kg.
Almost 9 kgs, yeah.
In 9 months.
That's great.
Yeah. And there are a lot of benefits. I was out of depression. Now I am out of depression. No depression is there. No pain in legs. Not problem of ulcer is there. My stamina has increased. I remain active all of the day. I just take sleep of 6 hours, and I remain active whole day, and I able to do a lot of tasks in a single day, which earlier seems to be impossible.
Yes. So Harpreet, as you said that your energy level is very high. So can you please tell me, on first day when I asked you to do some stairs, how much stairs you were able to do, and today we are taking this interview after almost 9 months. How much stairs you are able to take? So I just want to tell the measure. I just want to tell our audience, that improvement in terms of, scaling something. You can say that I have good energy. So, but if we do stairs, can you put a little stress on that point? The stair test.
On very first day, my result was, I think, 126 stairs, and after 4-5 months, it came to 3,500.
Wow!
And still didn't tired.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a glimpse of what we do actually. So, I ask my students, I don't call patients, I call students. I ask my students to do some stair test. So Harpreet was able to do 126 stairs, right, Harpreet, on day 1. Yeah. And after 4 months, I asked to do that every week. Today she is doing 3,500 stairs up and down, 3,500. Now that can be 100 up, 100 down, 200, 300, something like that. If you're understanding me, and it's 3,500 stairs. Awesome. That's called in real sense getting energy, getting stamina back, getting your life back. So Harpreet, how your family is looking towards you, because your pain, your parents, your siblings must be looking towards you, and they must be feeling something. They must be feeling a very sorry kind of situation, that you're trying everything. So how happy your parents are, and anyone else in your family who benefited from naturopathy?
My parents are happy now, because when homeopathy didn't work for me, they forced me that we can help you financially. We can take you to reputed hospital for this. We can't do anything else. We only pay money. But I know that it is me who has to suffer.
Exactly.
Because I already know how my body was, what damages through which I have gone. So even they don't have hope that even I could be able to be healthy again. Yeah. But now in initial days it means difficult for them to influence to be just naturopathy will work for me. But now they also following same routine as I follow, and my mother got benefited from naturopathy as she took medicines for BP from last 3 years. And she was able to taper medicine on first day, and
wow.
Since January 2021, her BP is normal.
Okay, she was able to taper her medicine of hypertension medicine on first day of her diet.
Yeah.
And for how many years she was taking BP medicine?
From earlier she took in some time when BP rises, but from last 3 years continuous. She was continuously taking.
3 years she was taking continuously.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And other health benefits like that increase in energy and that thing was be like
Uh,
aside on add-ons effect. Yeah.
mhm. There was a lot of cramps in my mother's legs from means like 10 15 years, and now it's all gone.
Wow, that's
No
awesome.
pain in legs, and no hair fall was there. It's
Hmm.
means my improvement is my improvement also. No hair fall, no skin issues now.
Wow. Hmm.
Means if I started to count benefits of naturopathy, I think this is never ending.
Hmm. That's true.
So much benefits I got from within a three within the first month. Means
Yeah.
I experienced on each day. I experienced some new means got some new benefit.
Yeah. So Harpreet, two questions are coming to mind. The first one is there's a lot of girls, young girls. When I see young girls, like you started taking medicine at the age of 13. That's really something I would say scary. At the age of 13 years, कुछ भी नहीं होता है 13.
जी जी.
So still there are a lot of girls, maybe their parents are watching this video, maybe they are watching this video. So what message you would like to give them? Because I think it's sometimes it's like taboo, girls that don't talk about their health issues. It's like a taboo. The parents know, the doctors know, and they're just eating the medicines. They don't commit. They don't even think of speaking to someone that I have these issues and things like that. And I've taken a very bold step coming here, and really appreciate your stance on being with me on this interview and discussing things to the T. So my question is that what message you would like to give to those parents, those girls who are actually suffering from these problems, and they are pretending to live what I feel. They're into very much pain, They're into very much pain, and that reflects into your story what you were and what you are today. It's a huge difference. So, what message you would like to give to those young girls or to those parents? Yeah.
Even if I tell you my situation, that means I look very healthy from outside. If anyone sees me, they said that yeah, she is very much healthy, very active, remain very active. But only I know what my condition is. Like from inside, I am not healthy or active. Truly speaking, this is the first time in my life that I experienced what actually activeness is after coming on naturopathy.
True.
Yeah, on PCOD, my suggestion is that because I followed allopathy also, naturopathy, this homeopathy also, these never benefited me.
So, Harpreet, tell me something about if I talk about budgets. If I talk about budgets, like people are spending a lot of money on their health, surgeries, things like that. In 13 years, you eat medicines, diagnosis, appointments, right? Lot of stuff going on, supplements, this, that. On an average, how much money you must have been spent on your health issues? 1 lakh rupees a year, 2 lakh rupees a year, somewhere around this. Because eating medicines in 13 years, what you can say, like in 13 years, how much you must have spent on your issues and getting nothing back? I would say 10-15 lakh easily.
No, not 10, 15 lakhs, 5-6 lakhs.
5-6 lakhs on medicines, right? Medicines diagnosis.
That's the diagnosis on appointment.
And how much budget is in naturopathy? If I talk about your diets, so everyday budget, what was that approximately in one day?
If I compare entire 9-month budget, it is not even 10% to that I spent on medicines or diagnosis for entire 14 years.
So 5 lakh you said, so 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000. So not even 50,000 in these 9 months you spent and you got these results. Yeah, that's awesome. That's really beautiful. I just wanted to make people believe that naturopathy is one of the, I would say, free kind of thing. Kind of free kind of thing. Okay. So Harpreet now, it's a new Harpreet now. Yeah, Harpreet new version.
Yeah, I am totally different, totally changed.
Yes, I totally can feel that, can understand that. Losing around 9-10 kgs, getting rid of all medications. I feel that. I know I know that pain also because I was also a patient once. My story, and I have seen that health part also. So I know being a sportsman myself, I used to think that I'm one of the fittest person, but no, I was not. When I come to naturopathy, I first time came to know, no, this is something humans should live. Yeah. So Harpreet, where do you see yourself 10 years, 20 years from now, you're too young right now, you're in your 20s. So when you are in your 40s, 50, my question is, are you going to make this permanent for your life, till you're living, you're going to make this permanent? Yeah, what are your plans on this? Yeah.
Yes. Actually, I would not say that naturopathy is a treatment, but it is a life.
It is a life.
Yeah, naturopathy is life. Means one can experience what life is after coming on naturopathy.
True.
And I will definitely follow this.
You're going to follow
because nowadays I am able to take nuts, fruits, and those favorite fruits like mangoes, grapes, apricots that I was taking from last 3 years. Now I eat stomach full.
Yeah, you said you're not eating, dry fruits were your favorite. You're not eating that. Mangoes were now you're eating in abundance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Harpreet, I just want to ask, that you have gone through all this, and naturopathy is giving you a lot of things. So definitely you are, very much liking naturopathy. So what message you would like to give to my mentor, Dr. Biswarup Roy Chaudhary? Because of him, I was able to become a naturopath and a food nutritionist. And because of him, my students are able to heal. So eventually it's Dr. Biswarup Roy Chaudhary who has, given you this life. So what would be the message for him?
He's your mentor, and I have heard about him through your webinars. And since then, I have been following him. I watched his every video and read a few books also. And I just want to say that he is doing such a great job in by treating people for their lifestyle disease through naturopathy. And I also feel that Dr. Roy treats me.
Yeah, great. That's awesome. That's I've always wanted. I want to just put my mentors always first.
You learn everything from him.
Yeah. So thank you so much. And Harpreet, one more thing. What this course actually meant for you. I just want to know what were your takeaways to the course. And after that, the last question would be the message, that you would give to people who are not following naturopathy and they're thinking to follow naturopathy, or they don't know even about anything about naturopathy. So first, my second last question is, and this is what you learned from that, what that course means to me, which I have, designed and offered to you.
You organized the entire course in such an effective way that you make everything clear in simple words with evidence. Everything that you told in course, you discussed in course, everything is evidence based, and the things are so simple that after attending your entire course, no doubt left.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. So thank you so much for stressing on this point, because a lot of people think that, that naturopathy stuff. So we'll come to the end of this session interview with you. So what message you would like to give to those people, Harpreet, those, who know nothing about naturopathy or who are skeptical on coming to naturopathy? So what would be that message? Because I just want to promote naturopathy.
Actually, people don't have right knowledge. They think, like I also used to think, that naturopathy is difficult to follow, means naturopath doctors give some kind of expensive supplements. But after I have been in this system from past 9 months, and I cure all my problems through natural diet that's easily available and one can easily afford. And I think that if means naturopathy is not that much means not difficult at all. It's like I earlier said, that it's a life, and if one can make certain changes in his lifestyle, then I think no one can ever suffer from lifestyle disease, and there's no need to visit hospitals.
True. So thank you, Harpreet, for this wonderful interview. And what I understand is that today the Harpreet is very different what she was 9 months, 10 months back. And this Harpreet is going to follow this naturopathy for lifetime. This Harpreet has tapered all her medicines, which she was eating 12 medicines a day. Depression, suicidal thoughts, PCOD, skin problem, ulcers, knee pains. So all gone through this naturopathy, and without spending much from the pocket. So, and giving back to ecology, I would say. Right. So thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much for supporting naturopathy, and thank you very much for being such a super student. You have followed You have followed it to the T, and that was the miracle. I have not done nothing. I just showed you the path, and you walked on that path. That is what important, right? So thank you very much for being with me, Navneet.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.